I boiled my daughter an egg. This is possible in English, but this is not possible in Korean because there is no sentence that has two objective cases in one sentence. In this sentence, did you boil your daughter or did you boil an egg? If you boiled an egg, why did you do it? Because you wanted to give it to your daughter. You have only one verb here, boiled, but this verb requires another verb to make this sentence possible. That is give. You have only one verb, but that requires another verb, even though it doesn't say it. So here, in this case, we need compound verb in Korean. I boiled an egg for my daughter. This sentence simply means 나는 딸을 위해서 계란을 삶았다. You just boiled an egg for your daughter. Did you give it to her or did you put it in the refrigerator? What did you do after you boiled an egg? This sentence does not say anything about that. So this sentence does not deliver what the original sentence means. This is not good when you put this into Korean. 나는 딸에게 계란을 삶아줬다. This sentence exactly tells what the first sentence means. 삶다, 주다 put together into one unit of verb. When you put two or more verbs into one unit of verb, we call that verb as compound verb. Compound verb is used to deliver one purpose of an activity. Two or three activities put into one purpose, one unit of activity. Then you use compound verb. I boiled gave an egg to my daughter. 나는 딸에게 계란을 삶아 주었다 is what the first sentence says. You may wonder if you can say this kind of a sentence. I boiled an egg and gave it to my daughter. This is not the same as I boiled my daughter an egg. Here, this sentence, you have go. Here in this sentence, you can see the sequential matter of an event. You boiled first and then gave it to my daughter. I boiled my daughter an egg does not say anything about the sequential matter of an event. That's just one unit of activity. Here you have two activities lined up, boiled and gave. After I boiled an egg and gave it to my daughter, you have after here, but I boiled my daughter an egg does not say anything about what you did before or what you did after. This sentence does not deliver the first sentence. This sentence can be put into Korean like 나는 계란을 삶은 후 그것을 딸에게 주었다. 나는 딸에게 계란을 삶아 식혀 주었다. You have 삶다, 식히다, 주다 put together. Boiled, cooled, and gave. You have three activities put into one unit. You have three verbs put into one unit of verb. So three verbs compounded for one purpose of an activity. You boiled, cooled, gave the eggs to your daughter. 나는 딸에게 계란을 삶아 식혀 까주었다. You have 삶다, 식히다, 까다 is 필, 주다. Four activities put into one unit of activity. And then you have four verbs compounded for one unit of purpose, one unit of activity. 나는 딸에게 계란을 삶아 식혀 까 잘라주었다. 삶다, 식히다, 까다, 자르다, cut. You have five verbs. Five activities put into one unit of activity. Then you have compound verb. Five verbs put into one unit of activity. In this way of putting two activities or three activities, four activities, five activities put into one unit of activity, you compound verb. So you know now when to use compound verb. Put verbs together to deliver various activities as one unit of activities.